In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, indicator on TradingView. Step by step, 2025. Let's get started by opening TradingView and loading any chart you want to analyze. It can be any symbol and any time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look toward the top toolbar and find the button labeled Indicators and Strategies. It's the one with the little flask icon. Click that to open the Indicators panel. In the search bar at the top of the panel, type MACD. You'll see several results, but the one you want is MACD under the built-in section. Click that, and TradingView will immediately add the MACD to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear below your price chart showing a wavy line, another smoother line, and a histogram. That's the MACD line, the signal line, and the histogram, which visualizes the difference between the two. This tool helps you quickly see when momentum may be strengthening or weakening. If you want to tailor how the indicator behaves or looks, you can customize it easily. On the MACD panel, find its name in the upper left of that pane, then click the small gear icon to open Settings. Here you can adjust fast length, slow length, and signal smoothing. The fast length is the shorter moving average period, the slow length is the longer period, and the signal smoothing controls how responsive the signal line is. The default values, often 12, 26, and 9, are popular for a reason, but you can fine-tune them to fit your trading style. Smaller numbers will make the indicator more sensitive and react faster, while larger numbers will smooth things out and reduce noise. While you're here, feel free to adjust colors and line thickness so the MACD stands out clearly against your chart background. For example, choose distinct colors for the MACD and signal lines, and pick a histogram color that's easy on the eyes. Clear visuals help you read the indicator at a glance, especially on busy charts. When you're happy with your adjustments, click OK to save your changes. Your MACD is now set up and customized. From here, you can hover over the lines to see exact values or toggle the indicator's visibility by clicking the eye icon next to its name if you want to compare price action with and without it. That's it. You've successfully added the MACD to your TradingView chart and customized it to your preference. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.